Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to create a Python script that applies NLP to generate a summary of a given text. Alright, first things first, we import the necessary libraries. NLTK provides tools for natural language processing, and here we're importing modules for tokenization, frequency distribution, and stop words, among others. Now, let's start with the first function. It removes special characters and digits from the input text using regular expressions. This ensures that we're left with only alphabetical characters. The next function is for pre-processing the text. It converts the text to lowercase and then calls the previous function to remove special characters and digits. This helps in standardizing the text. This function tokenizes the text into words and removes common English stop words. Stop words are words like the and is that often don't contribute much to the meaning of a sentence. Moving on, this function calculates scores for each sentence based on the frequency of words in that sentence. It uses a simple scoring mechanism where it adds up the frequencies of words in a sentence. Here's the main function that brings everything together. It takes the input text, pre-processes it, calculates word frequencies, scores sentences, and finally, generates a summary by selecting the top sentences based on their scores. Lastly, the script includes an example usage where you can input a text, and it will output the original text and its summary. This block ensures that the script runs only if it's the main module. Now, you can see the output of our program.